Prosecutors are trying to get a new judge in the case of a sheriff turned judge accused of stealing. They're saying the district court judge assigned to the case has made comments in court that show he's biased. News 13's Jackie Kent is live downtown with the state's motion. Jackie?
Jessica, the Attorney General's office is claiming Judge Charles Brown isn't playing fair and should recuse himself. But the defense is saying that's an excuse.
The case of a former Torrance County sheriff accused of stealing from taxpayers still in limbo.
That's what's pending currently, is the suppression of all the evidence.
District Court Judge Charles Brown still needs to rule on whether evidence of Heath White's alleged embezzlement can be used in this case. The defense claiming a search warrant was served on an Edgewood feed store White doesn't even own.
The motion we filed to suppress all of it because of the search warrant and its omissions and misrepresentations.
An issue the state didn't anticipate would come up at White's July preliminary hearing. The state filing this motion last week, urging Judge Brown to recuse himself from the case, stating Brown during that hearing was biased against the state by making a suppression ruling and expecting the state to have presented evidence at that hearing. A discussion that led to a heated back and forth in the courtroom.
Call your witness up. I'll give you a chance.
We usually get 10 days even to consider responding, Judge. This is completely out of line because we haven't even had a chance to research the issue.
The defense isn't buying the state's motion.
I think Judge Brown is a very fair judge. He gave the state a thorough and complete opportunity to present their issues, and I think this motion to recuse him is baseless.
White's attorney Sam Bregman filed a response this week saying the state is, quote, resorting to shenanigans for the sake of preserving the case.
I think the state just has a sense that their case is weak and it's not going their way.
The state is also claiming Brown is keeping the case from moving forward by not scheduling hearings. Today, Brown would not comment on the filed motion or White's response. Jessica, back to you.
All right, thank you, Jackie. White, who was elected magistrate judge in Moriarty last year, has been suspended from the bench.